How's it going? What's up? What's happening there, blessed, beautiful souls? Welcome to Crypto Bliss, and thank you for being here with me on the channel today. I really appreciate you all being here. Wow, and really appreciate every single one of you guys. We did it. We made it to 600 subscribers before the end of Sunday, so thank you to every single one of you. I really appreciate and love you all very much for that. Thank you. So, guys, 480 videos down, 600 subscribers. Really, thank you so much. So, you guys, I did trading these alts video for you guys yesterday. There is a 550x gem that's coming up, and did I say it's time for the dollar to explode? It is perhaps coming. So thank you for being here. I did give you guys a video this AM on total 3 altcoin caps and what's happening in the altcoin market. And let me know what you guys think in that video down below in the comments, please, guys. That was really awesome because we are about to see alts pump, and that's what some of this video is going to be about. It is just going to be a very short and simple update for you. So let's go and check out the crypto market cap for today. Crypto market cap is sitting at 1,185,000,000,000. The trading volume is coming down once again. So 26661. I love the sixes and the ones there. You can see all the numbers. Numerology is so important in trading, especially when you see Fibonacci sequences and in the trading charts. So Bitcoin is now wonderfully back above 27,000. So we're at 27,207. I like the 2s and the 7s there. Ethereum at 1845. USDT at $1. BNB at 307. XRP at 47 cents, Cardano at 37 cents, Lido 18.43, Dogecoin 7.2 cents, Matic at 92 cents. Solana's been pumping. So my trade on Solana, I actually, because I do trade with take profits and stop losses. So, and my simple trading strategy that I've really refined a little bit more is to take between 10 and 20% on a trade. And if you can do that with 3 to 4 trades every day, you will undoubtedly build your account very, very fast. Okay, so, it pumped 4.9%, so it's been pumping there. I did take my profit at the 2040 level, and even though we have a very strong buy signal in Solana here at the moment, in today's chart, look at the day. If you didn't get in down here, where we kind of skimmed across the water, I actually mentioned this to a mate of mine yesterday. It's like taking a stone and you skip it across the water. The first bounce, the second bounce is quite high, the third bounce is quite high, but then it starts to get a little bit lower and lower, etc. And then eventually it just sinks. So right now, this is the point where pretend that this line was the water, skipping across it, and now we're breaking through it. So the target would be essentially up here at the 24 level. So if you do want to take a trade on Solana, you can on the lower time frame, but we'll talk about that in a different video, not in this video today. The fear, before I go into the fear and greed index, Litecoin is sitting at 89.29, Avalanche at 14.44, Uniswap 506, Chainlink 6.48, and Cosmos at 10.58. Not too much movement in the market, but a little bit more than yesterday, that's for sure, because yesterday was quite flatline. 50 in the fear and greed index today, so 2 points up from yesterday, so not much difference. And Hex, man, Hex must have a Hex on it because it has literally just collapsed into almost nothing. I mean, we're going to go terribly far down for that. Pulse and Pulse Exchange and Pulse token, very incredible that they're down this low. Wait for them to kind of find their bottom. That's the point we'll be getting into an investment with those, and I'll do a video about those. So hit that notification bell so that you know when I do a video for you just on that. But basically, Pulse and Pulse X are definitely at least 100 to 1,000x each in terms of a crypto for you. Render continues to pump. Pepe continues to fall. My Oda seems to have taken quite a nice pump as well, which is wonderful. Okay, so let's go and quickly have a look at the Dixie chart. Dixie chart, of course, isn't open on the weekends, so we know that perhaps we could have one last crazy run up here. Guys, I just want to show you, I've refined my lines for you, my RSI strategy, and you can see in order to get the RSI to the most accurate point, I've now moved the top band to 90 and the bottom band to 10, okay? Now that would be the most accurate in terms of trading. Then you can see kind of between the 80 and the 90 and the 10 and the 20 that there is a bit of space, and it doesn't always get there, and it doesn't always get you into your positions. So, you don't want to wait long time to get into your positions, although you do want to be patient. which actually makes a big difference for you guys. So Bitcoin today is currently sitting pretty decent. We're very much pulling up nicely here. We haven't had the buy signal, but we did have a nice green doji candle there on the daily time frame, as you can see right there. So that is very, very powerful. So we are kind of turning back up, and we are testing the top of the box there again, which I did bring about yesterday. That essentially that is what would be our target for our 1 hour trade. Not sure why okay, so Ethereum is also doing the same thing. So Ethereum, but not much volume coming in. That's the only thing that I'm concerned about. And as you can see, Ethereum hasn't even got out this channel yet, which means that we could essentially just make a turn back and come and find support properly down here, which would kind of bring about this level and this zone here. So horizontal and descending channel zone is where we would come to. On the 1 hour, it keeps changing. BTC USD. Let's go here for you guys. So BTC USD, and let's go down to the 1 hour. I want to show you guys on the 1 hour, because the 1 hour just keeps pumping. We had quite a nice bit of volume come in here yesterday. That's why we did get up here to this level. And I did say that that would be the target. So we've already reached the target. So congratulations to all of those who did take the trade on that target. And now essentially what we will be looking out for is the new resistance level, which would be there now. And we're kind of coming up to it, as I say, would be the top of that purple box. The RSI is indicating that too. So unless, if we're heavily rejected, we might come all the way back down to this level, which would essentially tell us we're going to go further down on the higher time frames. But on the shorter time frames, if we stayed around this level or pulled a little bit down there, we would essentially, so kind of like this, and then a breakthrough and pump up, or down, hover, and then pump up, something like that. So either way, that's probably what Bitcoin is looking to do over the next few days. And I did say to you that essentially that target would be up here at the 29,400 level. Now, I want to go and show you something very interestingly so on my fetch trade. So I told you guys yesterday I was getting in. We've now confirmed a buy signal with the UT bots on here. The target is still up there, so that will be a 54% trade. I'm in at 5x leverage, so that will give me about a 250% gain on the trade, and that would give me about a 30% risk on the trade. So yes, I am trading it with small quantities here, but the point is to start small and build your account higher. The same thing is with AGIX. Yesterday we had the strong buy signal, and today we've confirmed breakout. We did close the candle above this descending channel, so now we are definitely making our way slowly but surely up to this level. If you're at 10x, that's an 800% gain. If you're at 5x, that's about a 400% gain. So I'm at 5x leverage on this trade. Now I wanted to go and show you guys something very important. XRP. Okay, this chart is actually indicating to us that XRP is about to have a massive breakout to the previous high levels that we have here at the box on the daily time frame. Why? Because we have a head and shoulders pattern that have formed. We had a strong buy signal here from the UT bots. We had a test of this down sloping resistance. We've now broken out, and we're breaking out of this neckline essentially. And I drew the target for you up here of the inverted head and shoulders pattern, and that would bring us up to this zone right here. Okay, so you can see that there will be resistance there, which is essentially where the target is of the breakout of the triangle of the descending slope. So essentially, we are strong. We are looking bullish. We could, on the RSI, just push up a little bit more. And you can see we haven't come into the 90 zone on that level yet. So the same thing in the injective trade. The injective trade is looking strong and bullish. So we are starting to turn a bit on the RSI, although it's not the best place for us to buy on the RSI at all. I don't recommend it, but this trade is looking as though it is turning around. Litecoin is doing a little bit of the same. Lido continues its move, but you can see Lido is coming to the bottom of the RSI, which means that it will be time to buy. And like I always say, when the RSI hits there, buy. Okay, no financial advice, of course, but that is where the strategy lies at its best strength. Same thing here. Cardano is pushing up. It broke out of its trend, guys. Cardano is going to push up, and it's going to definitely come to the first level, if not the second level. You can see there 20 to 25% trade, so that would be great. And then the last one, Solana. Here's my take profit entry, take profit level up here, my indicator. So this is pointing to us where to take some profits on the trade. Guys, thanks for being here with me on the channel. Really appreciate every single last one of you. If you want to trade these coins with me, then make sure to hit my bybit link down below. You can get yourself up to $30,000 deposit bonus, as well as just having some fun trading with me in the charts. So thanks very much for being here. Happy Sunday to all of you blessed, beautiful souls. And thank you once again to all my 600 subscribers. We love you. Take care. Have a wonderful Sunday. Please remember to like the video and share the content wherever you see valuable to your friends and your family. Thanks for being here. I'll see you on the next one.